Hey guys, Patrick here, and I'd like to welcome you on behalf of my partner Sandra Kiss to our brand new training, Advanced List Building Mastery. Thanks for being our student. I really appreciate your presence. So, Facebook advertising is a fantastic way to build up a giant email list quickly and easily. But if you want to add thousands of new subscribers to your list, if you want to get better results and spend less money on your ads, then you have to deploy advanced list building strategies that only top marketers and professional Facebook marketing agencies use. And this is the reason why we created this training. Not everybody has access to this knowledge, so we decided to share it with you. I'll show you step by step how to drastically increase the growth of your email list. It's not what everybody is doing, I know, but what you will discover is more advanced, and there is simply no better way to generate leads. So by the end of this training, you will dominate 3 of the most powerful list building features that Facebook has to offer: conversion tracking, retargeting, and lookalike audiences. We'll cover core concepts behind each feature, deadly pitfalls, and detailed instructions on how to use these features in an efficient way. So I hope you're excited. I hope you're looking forward to discover a number of proven and tested list building strategies, and I'll see you in the next lesson.